Matt, find out what your guy that runs the tree service would charge me to remove all of this. Since I've already cut it, I'm hoping to save a significant amount of money. But it's just too much for me to haul into my backyard, out into the woods. These two evergreens, pines, came down. So I just need those two skinny pines, the rest of it cut down and taken with the rest of this. That one too. And I need that stump taken down. I don't have a big enough saw for that. As low as it'll go. Get a better look at it for you. That's where it busted out. So as you can see, I've cut it all up. Just needs to be chipped and hauled.